Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Coinbase Wallet to connect to OpenSea, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Coinbase Wallet website. Locate the download button on the home page. Select the button to initiate the download. Choose the appropriate version for your device, whether it's iOS or Android. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your device's folder. For iOS, the app will automatically install. For Android, tap on the APK file to begin the installation. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the Coinbase Wallet app. If you already have a Coinbase account, tap on Import Wallet. Enter your recovery phrase or private key for access. If you are new, select Create New Wallet. Follow the instructions to set up a secure password. Save the recovery phrase provided during setup in a safe place. Once your wallet is set up, navigate to the settings in the app. Enable features such as biometric access for added security. Next, ensure your wallet is funded with cryptocurrency. To connect to OpenSea, open your web browser and go to OpenSea's website. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Select Connect Wallet from the drop-down menu. Choose Coinbase Wallet from the list of options. A pop-up will prompt you to confirm the connection. Complete the connection by following the on-screen instructions. You are now ready to explore and trade NFTs on OpenSea using your Coinbase Wallet. Enjoy your experience in the world of digital assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.